Hello everyone. Today we are going to talk about the punctuation marks, which we have been using for our entire life, right? But today we are going to pinpoint on their specific usages and the basic punctuation marks we should know, right? Moving forward, first let's have a look on the definition, what they are, why they are important, and why we should know punctuation marks or punctuation. Punctuation is a system of symbols that help readers understand the structural relationship within a sentence. Punctuation marks link, separate, enclose, indicate omissions, terminate, and classify the sentence. Most of the punctuation marks can perform more than one function. So it's very important to understand punctuation so that we can clearly understand the written material and we can clearly write our material in order for our readers to understand. Basically, what punctuation marks do, they kind of serve as substitute for the writer's facial expressions and vocal inflections. So you can see from this example, which is given in front of you, the rivers, not the dams are dry. The rivers, not the dams are dry. So through the usage of comma, the entire meaning in total changes. So it's very important to understand and learn the usage of punctuation. Now, these are some of the most basic punctuation marks that are used in written material or writing. Period or full stop, apostrophe, colon, semicolon, comma, exclamation mark, dash, hyphen, parenthesis, question mark, and quotation mark. And except dash, we might have actually used all of these. We might have used dash before, but probably, in a wrong way. So today we have been looking at how to use each one of these punctuation marks. First and foremost, widely used punctuation marks we have is full stop. It is used to, end a sentence. So it is written at the end of the sentence. For example, a dog likes bones, full stop. A horse likes hay, full stop. A flower grows, full stop. A banana is yellow, full stop. So the sentences, wherever sentences end, full stop comes. Then we have question mark. And we know for a fact whenever we are posing a question, asking a question, we're supposed to add question mark at the end. What is your name? Do you like dolphins? How old are you? Do you like to go to school? Do you like Coca-Cola? Etc. So question marks are used like that. Then we have exclamation mark. These are the marks that we use at the end of the sentence or any short phrase in order to show strong feelings. For example, help, that's fantastic, hooray. And it is also used um, after an explanation beginning with what or how, what fools people can be, how well Marshall bowed yesterday. So exclamation mark can be used like that. Then moving forward to comma, there are many types of commas. We'll be looking at only two or three types over here. You use commas for listing and joining two sentences together. For example, I like fruit, especially strawberries, comma, raspberries, and apples. So you see, we have three things, strawberries, raspberries, and apple. So we add comma. Then my friends' names are Bethany, Ellie, and Jade. So we have a list of friends. So in order to separate them in a list, we add commas. The second usage is joining sentences together. You must hand in your essay by Friday, comma, or you will receive a mark of 0. Second example is Norway has applied to join the EC, comma, and Sweden is expected to do the same. So this is how you use commas. Moving forward to colon. Colon can be used to introduce a list, extended quotation, and introduce an explanation of a statement. For example, the example that I'm going to read for you is for listing colon. Here are some chocolate bars, colon, Mars bar, Milky Way, and Snicker. Moving forward to the second thing, that is extended quotation. Bill said to his bum, colon, inverted commas, can I have some popcorn, comma, please, question mark, full stop, and quotation marks ending. So you see in this particular example, we have multiple punctuation marks being used. Then the next usage of colon is explanation of a statement. A loin, colon, large land-based feline predator situated in a pride. So this is how you use colon in three situations. First, you use it for listing, then extended quotation, and or if you want to explain a statement, then you also use colon. Next, we have semicolon. Semicolons are used to join two complete sentences in a single written sentence. For example, pass pen his pencil case, semicolon, it belongs to him. Right? Give Spotty the dog his bone, it belongs to him. So this is how you use semicolon. Now, this is one of the most important things that as students we, you know, clearly and sometimes knowingly and unknowingly use uh, incorrectly. So capitalization is a major problem for second language learners like yourself. So use capital letters to start a sentence, languages, day offs, the weeks, months, and names of countries, etc. Now, first is whenever you're starting a new sentence, you must start the first alphabet as capital. Then, if you're talking about any languages, you always capitalize its first alphabet, for example, English, French, German, Dutch, Indian, Pakistani, etc. Then days of the week, Mondays, Tuesdays, Wednesdays, Fridays, and etc. Then coming to months, March, April, uh, December, November, all these months are going to be written with capital alphabet. Then countries and then names. And if you're quoting someone or a text from somewhere, then you use the capital letter. Remember, these are the most basic ones we know for a fact, but sometimes we use them incorrectly, so you have to remember from now on. Then abbreviation. Abbreviation is a short form of a word or a phrase that could also be written in full. For example, doctor, professor, AM, BM, BCAD, BCECE, and just say RSPCA. So it stands for Royal Society for the Prevention of Cruelty to Animals, right? So these are the abbreviations. Then quotation marks. A pair of quotation marks encloses a direct quotation. Do you like singing? So you see, when you're asking such question to a person, then you add quotation marks. Do you have a pet? What's your name? What's your favorite animal? Do you like instrument? So you use quotation marks in such cases. And this is an exercise for you to carry on. I'll be showing you the answers as well, but take a pause over here and you can practice it yourself. And these are some of the answers, right? For example, look at the second sentence. Do you like cats? So it's a question. So we have to add question mark. Help. So we are asking for help. So exclamation mark will be there. In the last sentence, my name is Charlotte. So Charlotte is a name. That's why we are going to have a capital letter. Then April is there. My name is Charlotte and my birthday is in April. So April is a name of a month. Therefore, we are going to capitalize the letter A. I like running. So we are starting a new sentence. And one more thing, that whenever you're using the personal pronoun I, it's going to be capitalized, no matter the positionality or location of it. And you can see there the sentence has ended with the full stop. So these are some of the punctuation marks that we need to learn so that we can become better readers and better writers.